This is the first time that we've used wardrobe connection, but we did that because we've used kitchen connection twice, and we knew that they're really professional, they know what they're doing, and they actually guide you through every step of the process and make sure everything's coordinated. So it takes a lot of the pressure off and makes it a lot easier. The process was so incredibly easy. From someone who doesn't really know anything about design, who always feels a little bit overwhelmed when thinking about design and building and storage, it just made it quite a pleasure. You know, some of the most difficult decisions were which colour, but they even walked us through all the different options with that. If you had told me how much my life would actually change for the better by getting a new wardrobe through wardrobe connection, I probably would have been very skeptical. But I can't believe the difference that a really well-organised functional space makes to my day-to-day living. Working with wardrobe connection was such a pleasure. Being able to go down to the showroom, actually have a look at things, change some of the thinking I had about what we were going to do, and then their process for design and installation, it takes all the pressure off. It makes it a dream, and I'm very, very happy.